Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the benefits of using Ubuntu Linux. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of using Ubuntu Linux. Ubuntu Linux is a popular open source operating system that offers several benefits, making it a preferred choice for many users. Here are some key advantages of using Ubuntu Linux. Number 1, free and open source. Ubuntu is free to download, use, and distribute. It is built on open source principles, allowing users to access and modify the source code, promoting transparency and community collaboration. Number 2, stability and reliability. Ubuntu is known for its stability and reliability. It benefits from Linux kernel's robust architecture, providing a secure and dependable computing environment. Linux systems in general are well regarded for their uptime and resilience. Number 3, security. Linux, including Ubuntu, has a strong security model. It benefits from a dedicated community that promptly addresses security vulnerabilities. Additionally, the operating system has robust user privilege management, reducing the risk of malware and unauthorized access. Number 4, package management. Ubuntu uses the Debian package management system, which makes installing, updating, and removing software straightforward. The apt Advanced Package Tool system allows users to easily manage software packages from the command line or using graphical interfaces like Synaptic. Number 5, community support. Ubuntu has a large and active community of users and developers. This means that there are plenty of resources available online, including forums, documentation, and tutorials. Users can find help, support, and solutions to common issues from the community. Number 6, user-friendly interface. Ubuntu has a user-friendly interface, particularly with the default desktop environment, GNOME. It is designed to be intuitive for both new and experienced users. The Software Center provides an easy way to discover and install applications. Number 7, customization and flexibility. Ubuntu allows users to customize their desktop environments and system configurations to suit their preferences. Users can choose from various desktop environments such as GNOME, KDE, XFCE, and more. Number 8, wide software compatibility. While Linux might not be support all Windows or Mac OS applications natively, Ubuntu has a wide range of software available in its repositories. Many popular applications have Linux versions, and compatibility has improved over the years. Number 9, low system requirements. Ubuntu can run on a wide range of hardware, including older or less powerful machines. This makes it a choice for reviving older computers or running on resource-constrained devices. Number 10, server capabilities. Ubuntu Server is a popular choice for server deployments. It is widely used for data centers and cloud environments, offering robust server features, security, and scalability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, Ubuntu's combination of usability, security, and community support make it a compelling choice for a variety of computing needs. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the benefits of using Ubuntu Linux. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.